नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। Myself JVN Dr. Astha Sikarwar, Assistant Professor, Department of Organ of Medicine, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is temperaments, according to Robert's philosophy. Temperament is defined as a characteristic combination of mental, bodily, and moral qualities which together constitute the character and disposition of an individual and predisposes him to act and behave in a particular manner. There are four classical temperaments which are described by Dr. Roberts: nervous, bilious, sanguineous, phlegmatic. Nervous temperament. They take a lot of undue stress. They are impatient and hurried. They are indecisive, timid, and hesitant. They exhibit lot of anxiety. They are restless and worry before appointments. They are hypochondriacs. Choleric temperament, also called as bilious temperament. They are authoritative, dominating, resourceful, and confident beings. They are dynamic persons with big dreams and aims to reach them. Their rule is do it my way now. They have innate leadership qualities. They have ad- adventurous and persuasive. They are unemotional, goal oriented, well and very organized. Sanguine temperament. Very vivacious. They always manage to have fun. They will not be tied down to relationships or to any one activity, hence are social butterflies. They are enthusiastic, optimistic. Their bubbly and charismatic nature attracts pupil to them. Phlegmatic temperament. They are slow, passive, and stubborn. They don't cause trouble. They easily get along with others and don't have any enemies. They are friendly, patient, contented, and peaceful people. He has no intense passions and does not demand much of life. According to Master H. A. Roberts, the morbific influences known as disease that are attracted to temperamental tendencies are amenable to treatment and can be removed by the homeopathic remedy. This in itself is greatly preventive of the dangers arising from temperamental weaknesses. The homeopathic prescription is often biased by the temperament to the extent that certain temperaments bring out certain symptom pictures more readily than do other so-called temperaments. Thus, when it comes to prescribing on temperament, it's also called the slack method of using the blessings of homeopathy. The reason for this is Nux vomica man is not always dark. For the dark man, one may require pulsatilla too. Because the indications of the disposition and general symptomatology are far more valuable and true than the indications of coloring or even of stature. For example, the faintness and aggravation from a closed room are far more indicative of the pulsatilla than the blue eyes and fair skin. This sort of keynote prescribing may give a clue to the indicated remedy, but this clue must not be allowed to overbalance our judgment in weighing the whole symptom picture. The totality of morbific symptoms, along with the personality and the temperament, guides a physician into a state of healthier attractions, less liable to invasion by morbific influences, and forms an inroad to complete and permanent cure. According to H. A. Robert, there are four types of temperaments: nervous, bilious, sanguine, and phlegmatic. ठीक है, this is all about temperaments. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.